Poly-1-methylethylene.
Hello everyone, today's class is going to be about a very curious material called polypropylene. Enjoy! It was about 1964 when Italian Giulio Nara, following the works made from K. Ziegler in Germany, achieved to get polypropylene of a structure very similar called isotactic. Its European and North American merchandising started quickly in 1957 in domestic applications for equipment. The Nara and Ziegler's work that allowed to get ethylene polymers starting the olefins opened the road to other polymers obtention. This plastic, also with a semi-crystalline structure, overcame in mechanical properties the polyethylene. Its density was the lowest one in the plastics, and its price was also very low, but it had a big sensibility to the cold and to the ultraviolet light. What made it aid immediately. That's why its use was reduced to a few applications. But the discovery of new light stabilizers and the best cold resistance achieved with the propylene-ethylene polymerization and the polypropylene facility to admit reinforcing charges, fiberglass, talcum padware, asbestos, plus the low price, it gave it a big boon to this material. It can also be found in medicine containers, chemical products, and above all food that must be sterilized or hot packaged. It is also used in the form of film because it has a great transparency and good mechanical properties.
Structural properties. Formed by simple carbon-carbon and carbon-hydrogen, belongs to the polyphenes family. Its molecular structure consists of a methyl group, CH3, attached to a vinyl group, CH2, propane or propane molecule. The uniform ordering of a methyl group stereochemically generates the isotactic configuration, the most used in the polypropylene. Physical properties. The polypropylene density is comprehended between 0.9 and 0.93 gram over cubic centimeter. Because of being that low, it allows the light products fabrication. It has a great capacity of elastic recovery. It has excellent compatibility with the environment. It's an easy to recycle material, high resistance to impact.
Chemical properties. It has an apolar nature, that's why they have great resistance to chemical agents. It presents little absorption of water, therefore it doesn't present so much humidity. It has a great resistance to commercial detergent solutions. Polypropylene, like polyethylene, has good chemical resistance but weak resistance to UV rays. Boiling point of 60 degrees Celsius, melting point over 60 degrees Celsius. Applications and uses that as the polypropylene. Manufacture of sacks, bags, wrappers due to satin luster and good tenacity at the automobile level. Toys, cassettes, pieces of devices, package, laboratory utensils, different kind of bottles, electrical appliance wrappings. Applications of polypropylene in the food industry. From the industrial process, an endless number of different polypropylene products can be prepared, such as the length of the polymer chains, molecular weight, among them the following. Thin wall containers, items such as dessert cups, margarine pots, ice cream buckets, among others. Blow molding. It is used for the production of jars and bottles. Polypropylene films. They are widely used in the packaging of food and other items.
Addition reaction. In the initiation, a propylene monomer is used to which an acid is added so that the proton that attacks the electrons at double bond and joins a carbon and generates a carbonium ion. In propagation, the carbonium ion again attacks the double bond of another propylene molecule and a carbonium ion is generated again. In the termination, the chain stops growing and now it is direction of the carbonium ion and the anion, and in this way it generates the polypropylene.
Method of obtaining. There are three methods of obtaining. Process lab. Consists of reacting propylene with hydrogen and the catalyst in a reactor, after which the polypropylene is separated from the reaction residues. Spherical process. The process can be divided into four sections. A. Treatment of the raw material. B. Polymer production 78. C. Push powder. D. Gas recycling system. Process ennobling. Consists of three main stages: continuous feeding of polypropylene monomer in high-density liquid phases, catalyst, hydrogen to control the molecular weighting in the reactor, polymerization, and termination.